Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing you our compact micro PLC that supports 16 digital I/O, high-speed counter, pulse train output, PID control, and that's just to name a few features. It's the PLC FB0808P. Let's take a look. Okay, when you first open up your PLC FB0808P micro PLC, this is what it'll look like. You will see the warranty and then also the user manual. Underneath that is the PLC FB0808P wrapped in anti-static plastic. It features 8 NPN or PMP digital inputs, also 8 PNP digital outputs. It has 2 built-in high-speed counter inputs, which are up to 20 kilohertz. There are 2 pulse train output channels up to 100 kilohertz, and that's 2-axis for direction, position, and speed control. It also features PID control with auto-tuning. On the top of the PLC are some LED indicators, power, run, stop, then there's serial for RS-232 and RS-485. Up top are your digital input indicators and then your digital output indicators. Your digital input terminals are located right here. Lift up this plastic cover and you can wire your digital inputs. This is also where your 24 volt and your 24 ground wires are connected for your 24 volt DC power supply. On this side is where you'll locate the wiring for your digital outputs. Again, lift up the plastic cover is where you connect your digital outputs. Over here, there is a plastic cover that you can lift up. This is where you'll locate your run and stop mode switch to switch from run to stop mode. Right here is your RS-485 line resistance option. There are some white switches right here. And then there's your connection for your serial, and that is RS-232 and RS-485. It's also used for Modbus RTU communication. Then on this side is where you'll locate your Ethernet connection right here, your Ethernet port. This is for uploading and downloading and going online with your PLC project. It's also used for Modbus TCP communication. On the opposite side is where you'll locate the USB Mini B port. This is also used for uploading, downloading, and going online with your PLC project. Now I want to show you how you would power on your micro PLC. So over here for 24 volt and 24 ground, I have it wired up. So let's take a look. So you'll need to send the 24 volt wire to where it says 24 volts, and then your 24 volt ground to the 24 volt ground terminal. And as simple as that, that's how you would power on your micro PLC. So let's turn on the power supply. And you can see that the LED indicator for power and run are lit up. So you know that you're providing 24 volt power to your PLC. Now I want to download a project from the PLC software MapleLogic. And in order to do that, you'll need to connect a USB cable or an Ethernet cable. In this case, I'm going to connect a USB cable. So over here, where the USB port is, let's connect that USB cable. And now I can download a project from MapleLogic to the PLC. So let's go into MapleLogic. Here in MapleLogic, I want to show you how you would create a simple project, then download that project to your PLC and go online. So go to File, New Project. We have a PLC FB0808P, so you want to choose PLC FB, hit Next. And you want to make sure you have the correct series number, so you want to change it to FB0808. And then we'll just name this FB0808 and hit OK. And it creates the project. Now, in order to download this to the PLC, you'll need to create a scan program. So over here under the project window, right-click on Program, hit New Program, and we'll just name this Test and select Scan and then hit OK. Now we can download this to the PLC. So go over here, it says Link plus Download plus Monitor, click this. It'll open up a prompt to switch to stop mode to download, hit Yes. Download, hit OK. It's going to transmit to the PLC, parameter download succeeded. Download succeeded. Switch to run mode, hit yes. And it starts monitoring. Now you know you are online. and everything's working correctly, if you go over here, you can see this indicator says OK and you're in run mode. Another really cool feature over in the project window, under card properties and local slot 1, it says the FB08 PLC, so you know that it has auto detected the PLC. It's a really cool feature. In MapleLogic, it has an auto detection, and that's how you know you are connected to your PLC and you are online. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our PLC line, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to visit the MapleLogic tutorial pages to get more in-depth information on the software and hardware. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.